Here we are at Middletown, Rhode Island. Here we got my sister Justine.
Hi, Justine.
How's your day going?
Good.
Yeah. Here we are at Third Beach, Middletown, Rhode Island. Very nice day here in Middletown, Rhode Island. Hey, look, we have mountains of seaweed here.
You're going in?
I'm not going in there, I'm only going 20 foot.
Be careful, Jeff. Crummy.
Fell in there with you.
I don't want to.
Dan found a jellyfish, right?
Is he a jellyfish?
Yep. Kind of still Okay, once again, when these guys learn and get used to skipping a rock, these ones are tough. Nice, that was good. The reason why it was tough. Flat. Like I said, it's not easy. It really ain't easy. But you understand it. If you're left-handed, do it with your left hand. If you're right-handed, do it with your right hand. That's really that's what I mean. Use the hand as you know it. You know what I'm saying? But the gestures, then you use both hands. Flat rock will stick more better, Jeff. Look, tried that way. But time the wave too, so that way when the wave goes out, it'll be the best time to do it. No, not your whole arm here. Just your wrist. Almost. You got it. You'll get it. The hard part is to get. There you go. Yeah, that one's gonna be difficult. Almost like a puzzle piece. If you take a village or let's say they hit a city down to a small size, that's what it's looking like. a very nice day here in Meadowtown.
Take a
We're here
gander,
at
read his
Beach.
shirt, and if people see it backwards, that's what it says backwards.
Eat, beach, sleep, and repeat. Looks like we have a little secret pass over here. Not
Those.
one up a little hill here. Look how you found a hidden beach behind here. Looks like the seagulls have a beach of their own on the other side.
This is Seagull Sanctuary.
Yep,
On the
seagull
beach.
sanctuary.